Oh my god, I love this. Bro, it's for winter. Let me after all get it. What's this? How? What is the size? Do you like this one? I love this one. That art, the purple and black looks amazing. Who is that guy? Mister? Hello, Mister? Mister Boy? हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम एक्सप्लोरर। आज मैं आया हूँ 24 में। सो बेसिकली वो जगह है जहाँ पे कपड़े मिलते हैं। आप पीछे मेरे देख भी सकते हैं। 360 व्यू। लेट्स गो प्यू। दैट्स इट। ओके, सो यहाँ पे कपड़े बहुत सारे मिलते हैं, तो आप मेरे साथ भी देख सकते हैं। और मैं शॉपिंग करने आज यहाँ आया हूँ और यहाँ पे आते ही मैं निराश हो गया हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पास यहाँ पे साइज ही नहीं है। Hit that subscribe button for subscribe. One hit subscribe button equals one happiness for explorer. I'll just put in my cart, I guess, and then we'll choose. This is my most favorite one because it's like from Batman, and I love Batman. Justice League. Bro, it's 9 to 10. Wait, I think they must have some prices as well. I mean, sizes. Oh, they only have 13 to 14, the best one. Oh man, lovely. Wait, I forgot one thing. The thing I'm missing, that is, I'm getting shirts, but I'm not checking the prices. Let's put them back again. Do not overspend. Let me check this one's price, or I'll just get the Batman one, I guess. Okay, it's 2 KD. Yeah, I don't want it. I don't want pajamas. Let's like just, oh no. So today I'm here for shopping. It's obvious after looking at the clothes, bro. Nah, guys, tell me in the comment which one should I buy. Do you like this one? I love this one. That art, the purple and black looks amazing, and especially yellow is like so beautiful. Oh, I forgot. Oh, this one's two dinner and 250. What they wrote here is like from like all the Avengers character names and made the shape of A. It looks really creative. I'll take it as well. Just kidding again. What's this? Active sport? Nah. Looks like I'm just leaving this one. I don't need it. It's boring. I just want the Batman, you know. Batman, long live! May Batman long live. I mean, they don't have good stock over here, to be honest. They don't have colorful clothes. I love colorful. Oh, they shine in the sunshine. Beautiful sunshine. So small place, bro. Wait, that's main area, and there's something young, and that looks my size, lol. They don't have even pajamas for any size. I think we should like dig in, just like our mom does. Hey, 98 years. Big belt. Where is the belt after all? Let me just put it here. You call this belt? Really? You call this belt? You call this useless thing? Alright. Wow. Okay, let's go check out other areas as well. Okay, you wanna go check footwears? Men's? Let's go ladies, I guess. That's for ladies. And we do need ladies. Because we are giants. Oh my god, I love this. Bro, it's for winter. Let me after all get it. What's this? How? What is size? It's 5. I didn't check the price. You know, whenever I go in a clothing store, I never check the prices. I just like pick them up. That's my big problem. Whoosh. Oh, they have shirts for men. Oh my god, that is so good looking. Manicure. Oh, please do something sus. Very sus. Among Us. What is? Wait, is this anime? Man, the two most powerful warriors are patience and time. Nani? Especially, sometimes I feel about my age bad, you know, because there's no clothes for me. Even when I go to buy shoes, there's like no shoes for you. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. We don't have shoes for you. I said, what? Why am I not a human or what? Do you think I'm a robot or what? That makes me so sad. Okay, let's go explore the next side as well. The marble boom. Okay, so let's go explore the shoes area right now. Shoes for like every size, but not for me. I just told you like there's no size for me, just because I'm so unlucky. So that's what I said. Subscribe equals 1 happiness for me. Bye. हाँ गाइस, अब मैं थक चुका हूँ कपड़े देख देख के और निराश हो के. I mean, I'm too sad now. No size. That's Squid Game. Okay, so let's end the video here. Subscribe, like, and what do you say next? I forgot my script. Subscribe, like, comment, share would make my day. Okay, so stay with me. See you in the next video. Bye.